Hello viewers, I am Arko and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will share with you the unboxing process of R&G Frame Sliders for my Kawasaki Ninja 300 ABS model. Previously I used to think that frame sliders are of no use and the price of the fairings have become around 5,000 or 6,000. Then why should we invest 16,500 or more than 15,000 for mere frame sliders? But recently I had a fall on road and my bike got several scratches. So here are the samples of the scratches you can see on screen right now. So you have already seen the scratches, how severe the damages were. So now I think one should install the frame sliders not for the safety of the rider but for the safety of the bike also, to prevent the bike from attracting more scratch on fall in a speed around 40 km/h to 60 km/h. And I think R&G frame sliders are the best one because they are providing the middle rod, the connecting rod, which no other company is providing. You can consider Puig, you can consider over racing, you can consider retro cross frame sliders, but nobody is giving a connecting rod like this, which R&G is providing. So from very beginning I was obsessed with R&G. I was fond for R&G and that was the reason I go this time for R&G. But sadly this frame slider was not available in any Kawasaki showroom, so I ordered it directly from their site, that is rngracing.com, and it costed me around 10,200 and the custom duty was around 4,800. so overall the price was 15,500. Still it was 1,000 less than the 16,500 price that was last sold from Kawasaki showroom. So now without wasting any more time, I will go straight and unbox the packet of R&G frame sliders for Kawasaki Ninja 300. So here comes the frame slider, that is R&G Aero Crash Protectors, and here is the tagline, the crash protection company. But I have got not only this, along with this box I have got some documents, so I will like to show you the documents also. So this is the payment confirmation slip issued from DHL. You can see the merchant name is DHL Express India Private Limited. Product is shipped for Kolkata and the amount transferred is 4,870 rupees 25 paisa. And apart from that, transfer status success, and the transaction ID, merchant ID, and the method of doing the payment, and the customer mobile number, name, customer's email ID. All these details are written on this payment confirmation slip. Apart from this payment confirmation slip, we are getting two more documents, and these two documents are issued from R&G only. You can see that by seeing the logo, that is R&G. So the first one is delivery note, and in delivery note the address for the consignee is written over here, along with the order number, email ID of the customer, and date of order, an item, and the specification of the item, and the quantity of the item, along with the phone number of the original company, their email ID, website, and their VAT registration numbers are mentioned on the delivery note. And along with that you get the original invoice. There also you get to see the address of the consignee, order number, invoice number, Along with that, you are getting aero crash protectors, Kawasaki Ninja 250/300, manufacturing year 2013 to 2017. But you don't worry, it will fit on mostly all Ninja 250 and 300 irrespective of its manufacturing year. And the quantity is 1, and the retail price is 91.66 pound, and the courier charge, that is 23.69 pound. So overall the price is 115.35 pound. And apart from that, once some note is there, please note that all goods remain their property of Racing Technique Limited as R&G racing products until such time as they are paid for in full. And here it is the address of the company. This Unit 1, Sellis Lane, East Wardham, Alton, Hampshire, ZU343AQ. So you can see it has come directly from UK. Now we will go to open the box that contains the R&G frame sliders. So now we will see what's inside the box. In the box you are getting the logo, along with that the product name, few stickers. It looks like this, R&G, and this is one kind of frame slider, but in Ninja 300 we go for this one, which look exactly like this, you can see. And apart from that, I think there is nothing more. Yes, this is the product which is inside. Here it is written that non-drill crash protectors, means you do not need to make any hole or drill in your bike's any part to fit this. It will fit directly. Here are a few other products from R&G, like exhaust hangers, engine case cover, bar end sliders, micro indicators, cotton reels, radiator guard, carbon tank sliders. So all these are available from the house of R&G. Now I will open this box to see what is inside and how the box look like once it is opened. There is no more sellotape. This is just awesome, just awesome. I was talking about this piece. This is the connecting rod. So this connecting rod you will not get with any other frame sliders, This is completely unique, and it comes only if you buy the R&G one. So you are getting one pair of this connecting rod. One pair will fit on the right hand side of your bike and another one on the left hand side of your bike, and the slider will be fitted directly here. So inside the box we are getting one pair of connecting rod, then another rod which will connect it from the bottom portion of the engine, and inside this packet we are getting few more things like the cap. It's also in a pair. After the cap we are getting some bush. Here are these bush, and we are getting 4 stickers. So I am sure 2 sticker will be fitted here, and remaining 2 is extra. In case you have any fall and the sticker got damaged, then you can peel off the previous sticker and fit the new one. Apart from sticker we are getting this cap also. So this is the cover, cap cover, means it will be fitted directly on this like this. Okay, so these cap covers, they also contain R&G sticker. So it means these 4 stickers, they are extra. That's good, that's really good. In case if you want to fix this sticker in any other part of your bike, then you can use this. And after that, few nut, bolt and washer, different kind of washers. And then we are getting another stickers. So these are bigger in size, so you can stick to your bike anywhere. And then what else we are getting? We are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in total 7 documents. So I will see what are these documents. So okay, crash protector cap. Okay, so all the items whatever you get inside this box, they are written here serially, like crash protector cap, crash protector, spacer, long cap headed bolt, M10 plain washer, M10 nylon nut, crash bar left, crash bar right, long hex headed crash protector bolts, M12 plain washers, lock washers, engine bar spacers. So these all you are getting, and along with the tools required, socket set to include 8, 14, 17 and 19 mm socket and range, set of metric Allen keys, mallet or soft hammer, Phillips screwdriver, torque range up to 40 Newton meter. And here are some pictographic information, like towards rear of the bike, towards front of the bike, and how to fit it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a picture 1, this is picture 2. So fitting instruction for non-drill arrow crash protectors, and these are the part of the crash guard. So this is all what we are getting inside this box. And these are the fitting instruction with picture 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, and it goes on. Okay, so it comes to picture 15, 16, photo A, photo B. So in short, you can see that these documents will help you to understand how to fit this crash protector or crash guard in your Kawasaki Ninja 300 ABS model. So how to fit the nut, how to fit the connecting rod, how to fit this long rod, everything is picturized here in a proper manner. So now I don't think I will need to see all these documents, because the important thing is the crash protector itself. So since it is an unboxing video for R&G crash guard, so what you all need to know, you are getting the sticker, 1 small rod, 2 bigger stickers, set of nut bolt washers, then bush or spacers, then frame sliders head, these are the cap, and these 2 are the connecting rods. So that's all what we are getting inside this box. Now in my next video I will show you how to fit this in your Kawasaki Ninja 300 model. That was all about unboxing of R&G Frame Sliders in this video. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified regarding my next uploads on installation of this R&G Frame Slider, then please tap the bell icon and select all notifications. And if you like my video, then please put the thumbs up button and share this video as much as possible. Thank you for your generous support.